Okay, let's click on the Sheet 2 tab and we want to select 4 blocks. We hold the Control key while we click the first one, hold the Shift key and click the end one. Hold the Control key and click there, Shift key and click there, Control key, click there, Shift key and click there. Now let's click the Chart Wizard. And on the Standard tab, let's click Pi, and Pi with 3D visual effect. And next, and confirm the range, and next. And let's type sales as the chart title. Sales, and next. And then click as new sheet and finish. And now click once on the front pie there and drag it out a little bit. Hold the mouse key down and drag it out, and with all of them selected they all open up. So let's push them back in again, and now click once more on that front pie and just that one pie is selected, and then we can drag that one out a little bit. Now let's go to the Chart menu and Chart Options, and on the Titles tab let's change that title to Hardware/Software. And then we'll click on the Legends tab and let's uncheck the Show Legend box, but let's put it back again for now. And then on the Data Labels tab, let's click Show Label. That looks good. OK. Now let's move the chart toolbar out of the way and click on the legend and press the Delete key, and then click Undo to put it back again. Now select the main heading and click in the formula bar and type equals, and then click on the Sheet 2 tab and click in the A1 cell and press Enter. And we've got no heading, so let's go back to the Sheet 2 tab and click in A1 again and type Software/Hardware Sales and press the Enter key. And now let's click on the Chart 2 tab and there's a heading. Now let's drag the Chart 2 section to the end after Chart 1, and let's go to the Chart menu, Chart Options, and on the Legends tab let's deselect our Show Legend again and OK. And now click just outside of the pie chart to select it. I clicked a little bit too far outside there and selected the whole chart. Let's just click, here we are, and now we can resize the pie itself, and we can drag it around. Play with it a bit. Let's select the whole thing again and move it in a little bit so that I can read all the data markers. And so let's go to the View menu and zoom and select 75% and OK. Now let's click Undo. Now select the chart title again and let's go to the Format menu and selected chart title, and on the Patterns tab let's click Custom and select the bottom option from the Style drop list, and then let's click the Color drop arrow and select Pink, and then the Weights drop arrow, pink, and then we want the Weights drop arrow, and we want to select the bottom option there. Then check the shadow box and OK. And now click off the heading to see the effect. Now double click on the white area of the chart, and on the Fonts tab let's select bold and size 12, and then bold and 12 and OK. And now let's double click on the main heading, and on the Fonts tab let's select the size as 16 points and OK. Now select the Microsoft PowerPoint data label by clicking it twice slowly. Actually, not the pie itself, we want the data label. And now drag over the word power, and let's click the italic button, and now double click on the Microsoft Word data label, and let's go to the alignment tab, and let's set that at 45 degrees. Let's drag that up and OK. Now let's click the print preview button and click setup, and on the page tab let's select portrait, and then on the margins tab let's click the up arrow for top to change it to 2, and then let's go to the header footer tab and click custom header, and click in the center section and type sales for 2002, and OK. And now click the custom footer button and click on the date button and OK and OK and close. And let's go file, close, and you can save it if you want to or not. I'll save it.